What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding adding and subtracting square roots or adding and subtracting expressions that have radicals or square roots. The first one is 8 root a minus 2 root b. So as you see here, they are not like terms, so basically we cannot simplify it more than that. So the answer is going to be basically the same thing. Second one, we have 5 root c minus 3 root d. That's the same thing because these two terms are different. We cannot simplify it more than that, and just we need to write the same thing. We have 5 root m plus root n. They are not the same, they are not like terms, so the answer remains the same. Root n plus 3 root p is going to be the same as well because these two terms are different. Next one, we have 8 root 7 plus 2 root 7 plus 3 root 7. They are all like terms, so we can say 8 plus 2 plus 3 root 7, which makes it 13 root 7. Next example, 6 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus root 5. The answer is all like terms. We have 6 plus 3 plus 1 root 5, which will be 10 root 5, which is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.